Hey, this is John with the Utopia Experience. So today we're going to be making an easy oat milk recipe. And I mean easy. We don't even need a nut bag. That sounded bad. All right, you're going to take 1 cup of oats and we're just going to put it into just any kind of a jar. And we're going to take some hot water and we're going to let these soak for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, whatever. You can also let them soak in cold water overnight, just kind of depending on how much foresight you have. So to each their own. And to be honest, you don't even have to soak them in the hot water, and you don't have to soak them overnight. I personally prefer the flavor a little bit better if you do soak them overnight or in the hot water. It's a little less acidic, I guess, but to each their own. So we'll let these soak for about 15 minutes or so. We'll strain them, we'll come back, and I'm going to show you a really simple recipe. Okay, so our oats have been soaking for about 20 minutes. So we're just going to kind of run these through a little strainer just to get some of that water out. All right. Put it straight into the blender. We're going to add about 3 cups. I mean, the more water you add, just a little more diluted that it becomes. So for me, I usually do about 3 cups. You're going to want to blend this for about anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. The longer we blend it, the smoother and the creamier it's going to get. So really kind of up to you. All right, so we've blended our oat milk down for 2 or 3 minutes. It's really smooth and creamy, and it can be used just the way it is. It's great. It's a really creamy, good oat milk. It's great for cereals. But I actually like to kind of doctor it up a little bit. And for me, I like to usually throw in like a banana. It gives it a little extra sweetness and a little extra flavor. So I usually just throw in a banana once it's kind of creamy and smooth. And I'll throw in like a tablespoon of cinnamon. Like I said, to each their own. I mean, you could throw in some honey, if you could do, or agave syrup. Sky's the limit. Nutmeg, get creative. All right, so here we should have a finished product. It tastes amazing. Look at that. Now it's really smooth and really creamy. If you want to make it a little smoother and a little creamier, you can use a nut bag, a t-shirt, anything that you really want that you can just something to strain, a cloth. But man, it's amazing. So this particular recipe will last about 3 days in the refrigerator. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do. If you did, like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.